Welcome once again to this module. In this module, we are going to look at the monocrystalline or the single crystal solar panel. Here is your monocrystalline solar panels. The question now is, how do we differentiate the monocrystalline solar panels from the polycrystalline solar panels? And this will take us to the characteristics of the monocrystalline solar panels. What are those features that you are most likely going to see on a monocrystalline solar panel that will help you differentiate it from a polycrystalline solar panel and the amorphous solar panel? One of the characteristics of the monocrystalline solar panel is that they are made from single crystal silicon. During the manufacturing process, it is only one crystal. This is a cell, a solar cell. So during the manufacturing process of this solar panel, the crystal structure is made up of a single crystal, and that is what gives it its characteristics feature. Another characteristics of the monocrystalline solar panel is that they are dark in color. If you have noticed the polycrystalline and the amorphous solar panel, you will notice that the monocrystalline solar panel is darker compared to the polycrystalline solar panel. So those solar panels that are dark in color are the monocrystalline solar panels, and they are made up of rounded edges. You can see it here. These are the rounded corners that you can always see physically when you examine the monocrystalline solar panel. You can see the rounded corners, whereas the polycrystalline solar panels doesn't have the rounded edges. So one of the features is it is dark in color. And another thing you use and differentiate the monocrystalline solar panel, even if the nameplate is not on the solar panel, is its dark color and the rounded edges. Another feature of the monocrystalline solar panel is that it is the most efficient solar panel that we have in the market. It is the most efficient solar panel that we have in the market. If you test the output of the solar panel that is monocrystalline, the output most times is higher than that of the polycrystalline solar panels, and their efficiency is most times, not most times, is always higher than that of the polycrystalline solar panel, as we will see in the course of this training. There are the most efficient and longest lasting solar panel. Um, they are the most space efficient and longest solar panel. When you are talking about space efficiency or space efficient, that means if you are using 10 polycrystalline solar panels to have a particular output, you can use like 8 solar panels to have that same output. So they give you enough, you can always have less number of monocrystalline solar panels when you are designing your solar system because of its efficiency. There are the most costly solar panels. That means because of the quality, the efficiency that this solar panel will always deliver, there are the most costly solar panels in the market. These are some of the um, characteristics, features that help you or that will help you differentiate monocrystalline solar panels from the polycrystalline and the amorphous solar panels in the market. One is that they are made up of single crystal. They are dark in color with rounded edges. They are the most efficient solar panels, the most space efficient and longest lasting solar panels, and there are the most costly solar panels. In our next module, we are going to consider the polycrystalline solar panels. Thank you.